cold winter days, driving can become quite treacherous, leading to terrible accidents. People are hurt or could even die. The last thing most people think about is a lawsuit. However, medical bills and car repair can be costly. Worse yet, if a breadwinner has had an accident, how do you cope with not only the emotional loss, but also the financial strain? Here to discuss this important topic is my law partner, Michael Solomon. So talk a little bit about what we're actually addressing here.
Okay, let's say you're driving to work. You're on 271 going to work. A truck cuts in front of you. It's slippery, snowy weather. You lose control of the car. You run into another car, and you're hurt. Person in the other car maybe is hurt. The truck driver's hurt. Everyone's been a little bit of a fender bender.
So the question is, whose fault is it? Who pays for what? How do we get this all sorted out?
Well, it's a little bit like a law school exam. I mean, you were driving to work. Were you driving too fast, considering that it was snowy out? The truck driver, when they cut you off, were they negligent? Should they have looked to see where you were? Were they driving recklessly? And then, you hit the other car. Is the truck driver responsible for the damages to the other car and the passenger? So everyone's pointing fingers at everybody else at whose fault it is and who's liable and that sort of problem.
Yeah, it sounds a lot more complicated when you first start to think about it.
Well, it is, and what happens, usually the police come out there, they do an investigation to see whose fault it is. Maybe the insurance company does one. Even, if someone then hires an attorney, that attorney may start doing an investigation, hire an expert to try to figure out whose fault this whole mess is.
Sounds like it could take a really long time.
Well, it can. It can take maybe a year or longer. And the trouble is you have to be careful. There's statute of limitations and how long before you have to sue somebody. So you can lose it if you let it go too long. And, a little bit, we're going to talk about that next week on these sort of things, statute of limitations and other sort of legal actions.
All right. A lawsuit won't bring back a loved one or fully compensate you, but it's important to know you have a remedy. These issues are not simple. It can take a lot of time and work. Watch next week for more information, and for help now, give Mike a call. The number's next.
Call Solomon, Steiner and Peck at 1-888-236-5173 for more information or to schedule a speaker for your organization. Or log on to www.ssnplaw.com.
Thanks for joining us. Until next week, please remember to make the most of your golden opportunities.
If you'd like to join our kitchen conversation, visit our website, www.goldenopportunities.tv. Like us on Facebook. Call us at 440-742-GO-TV or email us at kitchen@goldenopportunities.tv. We'd love to hear from you.
Golden Opportunities is paid for by Elder Productions.